So hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are fine and safe. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you a very happy new year to each and everyone. May this new year brings you blessings and a lot of happiness in your family. So in this auspicious new year, I'm gonna show you how to make the beautiful new year cards in very easy steps. So keep watching the full video and let's get started.
Number 1. Take two circles of diameter 12 cm and 2 cm respectively and cut them from the center and from the sides like this. So this is a rectangle of side 24 cm and 12 cm, and we have to fold from the center. Now we'll measure the center. Now we have to cut the hole in the center, and from this 2 cm circle we have to make the sectors like this. To open the flaps and put it inside the hole of the circle, bigger circle, and put a cello tape like this. So now this is the flap and this is the open flap. Here we have to put the square sheet like this, and we have to paste a semicircular have a diameter of 11 centimeter. So now I have made a Happy New Year sticker and hand and the eraser. I have made a photo like this. I have to staple it from the upside like this. So if you rotate the wheel, it will be like this, as you can see in the video. So you can present it to your friends, your family members, and your any loved ones. So this is a stop motion, as you can see. So enjoy the stop motion. Now number 2. I have made an envelope using a paper, and I have made a ring over there. Taken two strips of paper, a black and white, and I have taken an A4 sheet. I have to cut the A4 sheet from the sidewise so that it fits in the sticks like this. And you have to put this envelope like this. This is a very simple New Year card which can be made by children and kids. This is a New Year card. So Happy New Year 2022.
So yes, thanks for watching guys. I hope you all have liked this interesting video and how to make this new year card. So make this kind of new year cards and present it to your friends, family members, your loved one, brothers and sisters. So see you in the next video. Till then, be safe, take care, see ya, have a good day, and keep doing DIYs. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.